She gon' be down like gravity. Yeah, front page of the blogs. She be mad at me if the whole world knew this. We was on, it would be tragedy. Don't make me globe trotting that travel scene. You always in my travel dream. Lace up 2, 3 stripes and I'm gone. But you just want me home. So me in my jack like what the f you doing? Bitch, I'm all alone. You gon' press me up? And she gon' stress me out and cuss me out. I have my fair share of women that feel us, don't catch me now.
Don't act like I'm average. You want me home.
Y'all gonna come back on my live when I go paint later? I'm almost done cooking. And I'm about to have a smoke session. And then I'm gonna paint. Thank you, Mike.